Have you ever felt stuck, overwhelmed by life, and unsure about what to do next? What if I told you the best way to move forward is to disappear? Sounds strange, right? But trust me, sometimes disappearing is the most powerful thing you can do to transform your life. Stay with me till the end, because this isn't just about stepping away. It's about coming back stronger than ever. In today's fast-paced world, we're constantly surrounded by noise, notifications, comparisons, opinions. It's easy to lose ourselves in the chaos. That's why disappearing, taking time away from distractions and expectations, can be life-changing. This isn't about running away. It's about stepping back, reflecting, and rebuilding your foundation. Step 1. Disconnect to reconnect. Start by disconnecting from the things that drain you. Social media, office toxic people, outside. Use this time to reconnect with yourself. Journaling, meditation, or simply sitting in silence can help you hear your inner voice again. Step 2. Work on yourself in silence. When you disappear, you're not being lazy or wasting time. You're silently building the best version of yourself. Hit the gym, learn a new skill, or work on a personal project. Remember, success loves silence. Let your results do the talking. Step 3. Set non-negotiable disciplines. Disappearing isn't just about stepping away. It's about setting up daily disciplines that align with your goals. Wake up early, stick to a routine, and focus on progress, not perfection. Step 4. Reappear with purpose. After you've put in the work, reappear, not to prove something to others, but to show yourself what you're capable of. When you come back, you'll be stronger, more confident, and ready to take on the world. Remember, disappearing isn't about giving up. It's about coming back better. Take the time to invest in yourself, because when you do, the world will see the difference. So today, I challenge you, step away from the noise, disappear, and when you reappear, make them wonder how you did it. If this message resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What's one thing you'd work on if you had the time to disappear? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more life-changing tips and motivation. Until next time, stay disciplined, stay focused,